What's that?
Right?
Yeah.
It's called a brownie camera, and it used to take tiny little black and white photographs.
I didn't really get a picture.
Just little ones. When I was a little girl, about the same age as Zoe, that's the sort of camera I had. And you used to put a film in the back of it, and then you would close it, and you would look through that little mirror at the top and press the button, and it would take a photograph, and then you'd have to send it away to a shop to get it made up so that you would get one of these back. A bit different to what you get today.
When were they made?
Oh, they were made a long time ago, back probably in the 1940s and 1950s. I had it when I was in the 1950s. So that's about...
How old were you when you had it?
I was about the same age as you, about 6 or 7. And I had it till I was probably 15.
And you still have it?
And I've still got it, but it
If
doesn't.
you put batteries,
No, it doesn't have batteries. It just
no,
had
but
a
if you put batteries in it, will it work?
No, it wouldn't work because it never had batteries. What you'd have to do is get a. Used to get a roll.
This is getting a bit low, so not too much more. But you can
Okay.
still do it.